of the Counter-Insurgency.
Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma on Tuesday inaugurated the Counter-Insurgency, Anti-Terrorism Ciat school and the integrated police welfare complex at Baghmara in South Garo Hills, strengthening police training and welfare infrastructure in the state. The inauguration program was attended by Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home, Prastun Tinsong, Education Minister Lakmen Rimbui, Director General of Police I Nongrang, Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, senior civil and police officials and other dignitaries. The integrated police welfare complex includes a police hospital and dispensary, officers and JCO messes, a welfare training center, sports complex and a recreational center, along with supporting infrastructure. The project was executed between February 2022 and January 2026 as part of the government's efforts to improve police welfare efficiency and training standards. Deputy Chief Minister Prastun Tinsong also spoke upon the project and also said that it would contribute to balanced development in the district and benefit both police personnel and the local population. During the program, Director General of Police I Nongrang informed the gathering about the demise of former DGP late W.R. Marbanyang, following which a minute of silence was observed. The program also featured addresses by senior police officials and a cultural performance by students of the Captain Williamson Sangma Memorial Government College, Baghmara. In his remark, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya congratulated the Home and Police Departments on the completion of the facilities and acknowledged the role of officers involved in conceptualizing and executing the project. He said the location of Baghmara offers a suitable environment for specialized counter-insurgency and anti-terrorism training and underlined the need for continuous upgradation of training infrastructure to meet emerging security challenges.
This project was a brainchild of the then SP and now the IG Police Law and Order, Shri Davis Marak. And I would like to take this moment to really congratulate him for having had that vision and that idea and the determination to move forward with such a big project. And of course, many challenges were there, and it was only until recently that the then Home Minister and now our Education Minister Lakmen Rimbui and his entire team again took that bold step and decision to ensure that this project would be completed, additional funds would be sanctioned, and here we are today finally inaugurating this particular complex. As rightly mentioned by DGP Madam, that though initially this started as a concept for South Garo Hills and adjoining areas, but today, because of the location that we are in, This provides a very natural environment for providing training to not just our officials and our police force of Meghalaya, but I should say the country and maybe even officials from abroad. Because the counter-insurgency, the anti-terrorism school, the kind of deep forest conditions and difficult tropical weather and the terrain, the challenges that are there, that are present without having to create it, a natural presence, makes it an ideal location to conduct many such programs in the future. So I can foresee that this is just the beginning. I really would like to encourage the officials that while we ensure that this runs well and serves a purpose that it's supposed to now, with the kind of way the dynamics of law and order maintenance, different technologies coming in, different aspects of warfare, different aspects of terrorism, proximity of the border and the length of the border that is there just right next to us. We need to ensure that we continue to innovate. We must innovate. We must improve ourselves. We must continue to explore and see how we can use these facilities in a much more better and a much more fruitful manner in the days to come.